You're in a rush to get your work done, but that tiny delay between screens is driving you crazy. Every second counts when creativity and focus are on the line. That's what happens when your monitor can't keep up with your thoughts. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i changes all that. Its stunning 16-inch OLED display delivers a response time of just 2 milliseconds, making it perfect for fast-paced projects like video editing or graphic design. The result? Your work gets done faster, and the sense of satisfaction is unbeatable. But what really sets this monitor apart is its incredible color accuracy. With DCI-P3 coverage and 500 nits of brightness, your colors will look as vibrant as they do on an external reference monitor, making even the most complex projects a breeze to work on. The Pro 7i's display isn't just about looks, it's also built for speed. At 240 Hz, you can tackle even the most demanding tasks without feeling held back by lag or stuttering. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or doing anything that requires precision and speed, this monitor delivers. But power doesn't come cheaply. That's why Lenovo made sure the Pro 7i has some serious juice under the hood, with an Intel Ultra 9275HX processor that's perfect for demanding tasks like content creation or 3D modeling. The result? Your work gets done faster, and you can focus on what matters most, creating something amazing. And then there's the graphics card, a beast of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 24 GB of GDDR7 memory. That means this monitor can handle even the most complex games or applications without breaking a sweat, giving you the freedom to do whatever you want without worrying about performance. Now, let's talk about storage and memory. The Pro 7i comes equipped with a whopping 2 TB SSD, 2280 PCIe Gen 4, which means your files load up fast and you can access everything you need in an instant. And with 64 GB of DDR5-6400 MHz RAM, you'll have plenty of headroom for running multiple applications at once. We also love the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i's keyboard, which features per-key RGB backlighting that adds a touch of personality to your workspace. It's perfect for creators who want to make a statement while they work, and it's great for gamers too. The Pro 7i's camera is another feature that's often overlooked but should be on every creator's wish list, the ability to capture life-changing moments without having to sacrifice quality. With a 5MP sensor and e-shutter, you can take stunning photos or videos on the go, no matter where your work takes you. But what really seals the deal for us is the Legion Ultimate Support Warranty. With 1 year of protection and support, you know that Lenovo has got your back if anything goes wrong with the Pro 7i. So there you have it, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i, a monitor that's not just built for speed, but also for style, precision, and raw power. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or professional, this display is ready to take your work to the next level.